Hello children, welcome back to chapter 7 India Location, Border, Area and Physiography. Let's discuss about the next physiographic division, that is Central and Deccan Plateau. The Central Plateau, what also we say Malwa Plateau, is region situated in the central western part of India. You can see in picture point 1 to 6 region lying in central, that is Malwa Plateau, whereas Deccan Plateau is the part of the peninsular of India situated in southern western part of India. See in picture point 1 to 9, that is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, etc. lying in Deccan Plateau. They are the oldest landmass made up of rocks. The soil in this plateau is not fertile, but because it is black, it is suitable for certain crops like cotton, sugarcane, etc., and is the treasure house of minerals. Our southern part of India is called peninsular, as it is covered by water body on all three sides: Arabian Sea from western side, Bay of Bengal from eastern side, and Indian Ocean from southern side. Coastal plains. India is surrounded by sea on all three sides. The coastline is approximately 7,517 km long. We can see in picture ocean lying on one side, whereas peninsular plateau on other side. The region lying to the east of Eastern Ghat is known as Eastern Coastal Plain. Puducherry, Machilipatnam, Chennai, etc. are well-known ports located on this coastal plain. The region lying to the west of Western Ghat is known as the Western Coastal Plain. Kandla, Mangaluru, Mumbai, etc. are well-known ports located in this coastal plain. This area of western coast has black soil, fertile soil with alluvium deposit, which is conducive to the growth of crops. Archipelagos, islands. A piece of land that is covered by or surrounded by water from all sides is called island. An archipelagos is a group of islands closely scattered in body of water. Example, Andaman and Nicobar Island are situated in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island are situated in Arabian Sea. And now let's discuss about desert. Usually in desert, soil is sandy and climate very dry and unbearable and hardly receives some rain. Due to the scarcity of water, vegetation in desert remain low and population is also very less. Date palm and caravans pulled by camels are seen in this region. People of Rajasthan get sufficient water for irrigation through Satluj River via the Indira Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is one of the longest canal of India, and we have the kind of desert in Kutch differ from other desert. The soil of Rann of Kutch is highly saline, means very salty, that is containing salt. It seems to be covered with a white sheet, and this is the only desert of its kind in world. So children, finally we wrap up the chapter. Go through full lesson once again, read it properly, and also will send you the notes next. Till then, bye, take care.